Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to make Aviator Predictor bot on Telegram. So let's start. So first let's go to Google and write GitHub Aviator Predictor, and then just click to the first option that appears here, that is GitHub Aviator Predictor, and just click here and just scroll down to the option that says Aviator Predictor app. So let's scroll down, and this part just click here, Aviator Predictor app, just click and then scroll down, and then just when you click here, just you will get to Telegram, and then you can join to the bot for Aviator Predictor. So easy, just click here and you will open Telegram here. In this case, I don't have Telegram in my computer, so I can't do it, but if you have it, just click there. Well guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.